Hello, everybody. This is Stu over at PrepAgent.com. If you don't know who I am, there's some great videos that I have on here. And if you want to know what a private tutoring session looks like, I have some examples in the PrepAgent YouTube channel. So go on, take a look at some of my past videos, and you can see what a private tutoring session is actually like. And if you like that, you think that might help you pass the exam, head on over to PrepAgent.com, sign up for private tutoring with myself or any one of the private tutors that we have. So, today, what do I want to talk about? So, someone asked me the other day in one of my private tutoring sessions, can you explain what an exclusive right to sell listing is? Well, of course I can. So, first and foremost, it is an exclusive listing agreement. What we're going to do is we're going to break down every portion of this as I straighten out my back. So, the first portion of this is that it's exclusive. That means that there is one brokerage that is representing the seller. Exclusive means there is one brokerage, one to rule them all. There's only one working with the seller. So we do have exclusive agency listings. We won't talk about that today because we're focusing on exclusive right to sell. It's the most common type of listing that you probably see in the real estate business. It is an exclusive listing, so what happens is it's going to have one broker working with the seller. The second thing is a listing agreement is a contract to employ the broker to find a buyer, not necessarily market the home. Nay. You might have some hotshot celebrity, like maybe you're listing, I don't know, Stu's home from PrepAgent.com. I'm a celebrity. Maybe you're listing Joe's home, right? And what happens is maybe we don't want you to market it because I'm like, hey, I'm going to have gaggles of people knocking down my door trying to get help to pass a real estate exam. I don't want people at my front door. So what happens is I might want you to just try to find me a buyer without marketing my home. So keep that in mind, that the listing agreement is an employment contract for the broker to find a buyer. That's it. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to market it. Typically, and keep in mind the words I'm using, typically, generally it does, right? There is some sort of marketing, but not always. It's not a definitive thing where there's going to be marketing. It might just might not be. So it's an exclusive listing, and we've talked about those two things, and it is the exclusive right to sell, which means no matter who sells the listing, no matter who procures or gets the buyer, you are going to be entitled as the broker to the commission. And keep in mind, it's a listing contract is an employment agreement between the broker and the seller. Okay, the broker and the seller. The listing agent is working as a representative of the broker. Always is. The agency relationship is with the broker and the seller. So it is exclusive. Only one broker working with the seller. It is a listing agreement, which is an employment contract to find a buyer, and it is the right to sell where you are going to, as the broker, be entitled to the commission no matter who procures the buyer. So, hit that like button, hit subscribe if I just helped you out a little bit, if I made it really nice and simple. And also, comment down below, what other things would you like to see me cover? Have a great one, everybody. I'm going to see you real soon.